All right, well, I'll go check it out. Okay, all right, bye. Well, this should be fun.
Paul, we need some more base. We don't have enough. We're gonna need a couple more boxes.
This entire piece here is coming out. Gosh. But better to find it now.
Yes.
Yep. Thank you, bud. And this is the big one where you keep picking at it and it just keeps going. So, but it's nice to have them done.
I'm afraid that road behind the toilet's gonna go.
Well, I guess at least we found the issue before we opened instead of after. These guys said we had a big problem. I just imagined that there was giant holes in the wall or something. Get a couple more tiles. This is the Ugly Motel. We're used to problems. Yeah. Past my secret little guard station. We actually do have, I think, 4 tenants moving in. Be sure to reach out to me if you want an apartment. There's studios and 1 bedrooms, but they make sense for some people. All right, we head to Menards because they're pet friendly.
I partner with Big Red Rescue of the Heartland.
Oh, nice.
I foster dogs and find them homes. And
Nice. This is our paint lady. She's the reason that everything matches in the hotel. Oh. Well, we did that, but now Nick needs to go to Menards. So let's go get some siding. Got our siding expert here today. There we go. So you got an easy way to fix this siding, you say. It's not gonna kill us and it's gonna be able to be redone on all the rest of them too?
correct.
Awesome. Well, today we're just getting the materials.
Correct.
Yep, that looks correct. 15 pieces, okay. Awesome.
And here's that ticket for you. Do you
Thank
guys
you.
know where that is outside?
Yeah, I think so. With the hard work. We have a trailer, but how fun would that be? Easy day. Well, that looks much better. Sure, it's still a little dusty. That'll dry real easy. If you guys are trying to figure out how the heck we finance this stuff, you're welcome to reach out. We do offer financing for both residential and commercial projects. We do have our own company for remodeling. So if you're looking to finance FF&E or anything else, just go ahead and reach out. Find me on Facebook or call the hotel. All right, guys, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned to see if we actually open up on February 2nd. It's down to the wire and we still don't even have technical permission to open. So I gave the contractors the dog toys. He really likes to tear up toilet paper, so I figured squeaky tail thing would make some sense.